Happy New Year 2024.
Hello viewers, Assalam-o-Alaikum. Professor Bilal Babu is here in front of you. So 2024 is coming right now and we are going to enter in 2024. That's where we are going to, the all world is celebrating, so we also celebrate with you guys, and I would like to welcome to all of you of 2024. And before going to discuss some important points of about 2024 and 2023, so if you are new in my channel, kindly subscribe my channel, like my channel, and so you will get all the links of my all videos, because through this channel I'm representing grammar lectures and motivational lectures about English and Urdu both languages. So let's discuss 2024. So alright viewers, so today we are going to discuss 2024, the new year that is coming in our life, that all the people, all the world is very happy. Why? Because 2024, we are going to enter in 2024. There is a good point for us that we are going to view a new year of our life, but we have passed 2023. But have you ever think that what you have done in 2023? What you have done in 2023, right? And for example, in 2023 you have 365 days in your life, but remember, 365 days has cut from your life. Then your life is short 365 days, right? So remember, in 2023 you have passed a year, but how you have passed a year, what you have got, what you have lost in your life, that is very important. But remember that before going to 2024, you have to remind all the year that what you have done good and what you have done bad, right? That is very important. First of all, I have written here of virtues. How many virtues you have got, you have earned in 2023? How many virtues you have earned? Like what you have done for someone, for your neighbors, for your brothers, for your sisters, for your parents. What you have done in your life in 2023? How many virtues you have got in 2023? Maximum, maybe you have got 1000, right? Maybe you have got 800, maybe you have got 500, maybe you have got 200. That's depend on you, that how many virtues you have got. If you have got a lot of virtues, there is good for your their life, right? Because whatever you have done in your life, that is written, and that will and you will be given a reward on that life, where you will go after your death, the day of judgment. Everything will be given to you at that time. So I'm talking about how many virtues you have gone in 2023 and how many sinners you have done in 2023. That is very important. You have to remind your past year, and after remind your past year, you are going to celebrate 2024, but you don't have to do the things you have did bad in 2023, right? For example, how many virtues you have got in 2023? For example, if someone says that, oh my God, I have did only 10 virtues in 2023. So, but remember, in 2024, you have to earn a lot of virtues in your life. You have to do, you must have to do good with other people's, right? For save, you have to save it in your account. If you do something good with others, so that will count as a virtue in your life, right? In 2024, I would like to share you that in 2024, maximum you have to got 500 virtues in your life. How you will get it? That's very important. Maybe you will think that how we will do this such type of virtues in our life. That's very important. You know, for example, you are going to somewhere, a beggar is on the road and he asking a money, that I need some money, 5 rupees, 10 rupees, 100 rupees, that I would like to go there, but I don't have rupees. You must have to help that very people. If you have money in your pocket, you must have to help them, right? That is written as a virtue in your life. And if someone is in hospital, right? Someone is in the hospital on the bed, and maybe he needs blood, right? It happens mostly in our life, and you have to deliver a blood for that very people. So it is a big virtue of your life that will be written, and you will be bestowed on the day of judgment. You must have to do it, because my dears, life is very short. Life is very short. Every minute, every second is important for your life. Right? The Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, said that the doomsday will come at that time when the years passing like a month, when a month lies passing like a weeks, when a weeks passing like a days, and when days passing like a hours. At that time the doomsday will come. Otherwise it's not. So now we realize that nowadays are very short. We don't have time. Everyone in the world is very busy. You don't have either time to talk with your parents and with your family members as well. It happens in the world. Why? Because time is very short. If you recognize it's very short time, you have to help with other peoples, right? You have to help with others, because it gives you a very prosperity. It gives you a lot of happiness when you help with others. It happens also like with me, and it will be happen like with you. Like, think about it, that in 2024, with how many people you have helped in your life. How many people? Maybe 50, 100, 200, 500, 1,000, maybe more than 1,000. But remember, how many people you help in 2023 within 365 days. If you not, then think why. You have passed a year, and 2024, you promised me that you must have to help more than 500 people, right? More than 500 people you must have to help in 2024, because that's very important. A lot of people in the world, they are needy because of some problems. A lot of people stuck in different problems. So if you can do something for that, you must have to do according to your position, according to your destination, right? Whatever you can do. Either you can do some help with your family members, you can do some help with your neighbors, with your street boys, or with other people as well. But you must have to help with others. That's the reality of life. If you help others, you will feel happiness in your life. And in 2023, you have passed. So maybe how you have been involved in sinner as well, because it is part of life. How many sinners you have done in 2023? You don't recognize, but maybe you realize that some big sin that you have done in your life as a mistake. But remember, in 2024, don't mistake and don't be sinner, don't do sins in 2024. That whatever you have done in your last 365 days in 2023, right? Because you have to be a very patient, very educated, and a very good person in the life, because life is very short. I have already described you that life is very short. Every moment of our lives is very important for us, for you, right? If you have to take good advantage of your that life. Your every minute is very important. Your every second is also important, because when you will pass your all life and your time will come, then you will never ever have get a 5 minute, either 1 minute in your life, and think that time. So do something good with others people in this life, because you have the time. You have 2024. In 2024, promise me that you have to do good and you have to do help with other people's, right? And mostly in 2024, you have to gain the habit of forgive, right? In 2024, you must have to forgive with a lot of people that what you have, but maybe they have done a mistake with you, but you have to forgive, because that's your responsibility. In 2023 that has gone, understand, remind it that what you have done, to how many people you forgive them, right? And how many people that may be sorry to you, but you don't forgive them. You realize, and maybe it happens in your life, that a person he apologized for you because of his mistake, but you don't accept his apologize, and now after a year he is not alive in the world. So you will realize that this, whatever I have done, this was wrong, this was my mistake. But please don't do that mistake again in 2024. If someone did a good thing with you, but you have to forgive for them, because you have to be a good person in the world. If you forgive other people's, and you will be happy, you will realize happiness in your heart if you forgive other people's, right? So take this habit to forgive other people's and help other people's if you want to be a good person in the world. So the next thing which I'm going to discuss with you is respect, right? Is respect. You know, guys, respect is very important. Every people in the world, he need respect. When you do respect with others will respect you automatically. So most of in new generation, it happens that that our new generations, they are a little bit weak on that very point. But in past, the old people that have gone, or they are living in the world plus 70-80 years, which I have realized, they are most respecting their forefathers as compared to new generation. That's my guarantee. The old people were respecting a lot of their forefather, their parents, their father, their mom, their uncle, their brother, their sister, as compared to the new generation. But why it happens in our new generation? Why? Because of social media, because of no, you know it happens mostly in our lives, that when we will go to some our relatives' home. So when you will go there, you will see that everyone will be busy in mobile. Every people will be busy. No people are reaction. They are not discussing with each other. So this is a very bad impact of social media in our life. But it's up to you how you have to use it in your life, right? So respect. Mostly your elders, your family members, your mother, your father, your parents are very important in your life. When your parents will pass, they will never ever come again. So remember that you must have to respect your parents in every part of life, day and life, either if they are ill. So you must have to work the all night and stand there with their respecting, right? That is very important for you. If you respect them, your children, your kids will respect you. If you will not respect your parents, your kids will not respect you. So in 2024, promise me that you don't have to do such type of mistake which you have done in 2023, and you have to respect your family members, your parents, your brother, your sister, everyone in the world. So that's very important, right? So this is whatever today I'm going to discuss you that is in my mind, and I represent you through my channel, Professor Babu Bilal Gilgit. So if you are new in my channel, kindly subscribe my channel so you will get all the notifications of my videos of grammar and the different motivational lectures. So I think it's enough for today. And if you have any problem, any question, come and ask me in a comment. So till then, it's good night, tata, and bye bye.